Products that I'm using for my hair that's making it come out like this. The Rosemary Styling Mousse from As I Am. Rosemary Water. You guys be hearing me talk about this collection non-stop right now because it is amazing. As I Am Classic Smoothing Gel. The first thing that I'm doing is spritzing the hair with water. Once the water is in, then I'm going in and I'm spraying it with more water, but this is the Rosemary Water. This isn't just water that's just gonna hit your hair and just sit on your hair. It's gonna help with moisture, it's gonna help with detangling, and it's gonna help with a healthier scalp environment, and your hair is gonna retain the moisture longer. That's why I'm doubling it up with the Rosemary Styling Mousse. You can already see it brings out the curls. I told you guys don't sleep on the mousse, bro. I don't know, everybody sleeps on the mousse. I used to sleep on the mousse too, but now your boy's using mousse constantly. Mousse can do what the leave-in does, but always follow up. If you want to capture those curls and make them look juicy, follow up with a gel. That's why I love my gels, but make sure you read the ingredient list. These guys, As I Am, I love what's in their products. That's why I love styling it together. These are the products. Obviously, I'm not done the back yet, but that's what it pretty much, this is what it starts off looking like. So I hope that helps.